everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game. It's Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
Again, the lineups for this game. We're underway. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. He's tried one! Decent enough try.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Koulibaly. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The idea was good though, Peter, and I like the run that triggered the pass, but the quality was the problem.
It's come back out! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Away from immediate danger. Tries a through ball. Great ball to play him in, but he will be gutted to miss that.
Oh, he can't be happy missing that after being put clean through. That's about as good a chance as you can get. Well, this has been an aggressive attacking start from them. They've been very much on the front foot, and if they maintain this pressure, it's looking very good for them.
Pumps it forwards. This is promising. Heave to the back post. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Goes direct to the front line. Dinks one in. Wijnaldum. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. And it's Cancelo. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. Spoon forward. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Defence has got rid of that. Now the pass. Good, strong hand by the keeper.
Goal! Al-Hilal!
That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Well, as they say, Peter, if you don't speculate, you won't accumulate. And we've just witnessed a player who was rewarded for his willingness to take a risk, as cunning as it comes.
Al-Hilal get themselves into the lead.
Still a fragile lead, though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Wijnaldum. Looks like a good ball through. He's put it on the right now. What's on? Cuts it out. Towards the front, plays it out to the wing. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. He's done very well to get to that.
That wasn't the easiest of saves by any means, Peter, and I think his instincts were, well, they were just razor sharp.
Good defending there, they've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition. Boots it upfield. Passes it through. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Goes long and forward. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Now here's the through ball. Tries to get it forward quickly. Looks to slip it through. And the defence can get it clear. Charges in. Massive leap! Harmlessly behind. Pumps it upfield. Oh, great ball! Has a pop! It's there! And right on half-time, that is telling.
An exhibition in how to finish with a minimum of fuss.
There's the whistle for half-time. It's been a decent 45 minutes. Competitive, certainly. And so it's back to business.
Al-Hilal can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Tries a through ball. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. He's dealt with that well. Now the pass. Clears it out of harm's way. Pushes it out wide. It's a loose ball. The ball's loose, and he's after it. It's bounced back off the post. Ball's out on the left now. Passes it through. He's gone for it! Goal! Al-Hilal! And they get themselves in front! Well, he was never going to miss from there. So much to aim at.
It's rarely a problem when that much time is afforded in the penalty box. Nobody sensed where the danger was lurking, and the finish was made a lot easier.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Al-Hilal go into the lead. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Al-Hilal yet to make a change here. Goes long. He's found his man. Going for goal! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
And that all stems from great vision, you know. What a delightful little ball over the top that was.
It so nearly came off for him.
Well, in all honesty, he's tormented that defence. They just can't handle him.
Wijnaldum. Thrust towards the front line. That'll be a throw. Gets it back. Needed a better pass there. Wijnaldum. Shapes the shoots. Koulibaly. Who's going to make this theirs? Still going. Where to next? He's away! Great reaction! Aimed long and direct. Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. Wijnaldum into the channel. Koulibaly battles to win it back. He's made sure that that won't get through. Looks to thread it through. Oh, should have been the equaliser.
Well, he won't need telling what a big chance that was. The look on his face says the lot.
Hurtles into the tackle. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick.
Yeah, he may feign to shoot and just play it into the box.
So what can they conjure from this one? That's a fine save.
Well, I thought his starting position was good, and that helped the keeper to judge the flight of the ball and deal with it well.
So what now? Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Looks like a good ball through.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
It's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Corner it is. Towering header! Knocks it away.
There's a real confidence about them, and they look as though fitness levels and energy are still strong, but they have to maintain possession. They can't afford to lose it again.
What an adventurous run from a defender. It was always going to be the keepers. Forward it goes. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. We are into stoppage time. Al-Hilal just have to run down the clock. Ball is over the line. Wijnaldum. Gets it back. And that will be the final act. Al-Hilal come out on top. Hard fought, impossible to predict. In the end, though, only the result mattered. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
They've achieved this away win thanks to a game plan which they stuck to and trusted from start to finish. The players deserve praise, and so does the manager, who got it spot on.
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.